Hello everyone and welcome to another day of Indigenous Kindergarten Math Scholars. I'm Miss Olivia and let's start our math meeting. So it is October. We're in October now. For me it's literally the best month because it starts off Halloween. As you can see right here we have Happy Halloween, but let's start our calendar. So October, you see the pumpkins. And today is October 1st, and it's Friday. All right, so you see all these pumpkins, you see all the bats. I love Halloween. All right, let's start saying the days of the week. Let's start with Sunday. All right, everyone ready? All right, there's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So October 1st, we're going to go down here. Our seasons, we're still in the fall season, and then we're going to go into winter, and then there's spring, and there's summer. All right, let's go to our months. Let's start with January. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, let's jump over here to our dime. Our dime, this is how a dime looks, and a dime is worth 10 cents. And down here we have a display of a dime. Okay, and we're going to count to 10 right now. So you can go into your pencil box, and we're going to get out our 10 blocks. So these are 10 blocks and we're just going to build them and count to 10. All right? So we have 1, 2, I'm going to build them up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 colorful blocks right here. All right, let's go on to our clock. Our clock, and it is 8 o'clock. As you can see, 8 o'clock, and we're gonna write, I'm gonna get my dry erase marker, and I'm gonna write 8 o'clock down here. So it's 8 o'clock. So let's count the numbers on the clock, starting with 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, let's go to our hundreds chart. Everyone, pull out your hundreds chart. It looks like this. Have this in front of you, and we're going to count to 10. I'm going to get my little hand helper, little finger helper. All right, count to 10. Start with 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, then we go down here. We see our number of the day, and our number of the day is 8. Is 8. So everyone get your finger and let's draw in the air an 8, like an ice skater on the ice, just making an 8. All right, so now we're done with our math meeting board. I want you guys to pull out your lesson 9 worksheets. So when I'm going to flip around the board and pull out lesson 9. Okay, you should have your center out right in front of you, and this is how your center should look. And it says number wheels, clip and match. So for the center, we're going to be needing our clothespins. So you'll have a bunch of clothespins. You can unravel that, have them in front of you. And if we look on our center, oh my gosh, our number wheels, clip and match. All right, let's read the directions. Count the objects on each part of the number wheel. Clip a clothespin to match. So let's look at our first number wheel. It's 0 to 5. Number wheels, clip and match. All right, so with these two, we're going to be using the number side of our clothespin. So I picked a number 7. All right, so on our clothespin we have the number and then we have the number word. All right, so for these two we're going to be using the number. All right, so I'm going to just pick one, and I picked 2. So I'm going to look for a feather with 2 feathers in them. All right, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. It can't be that one. And we go to this one, we have 1, 2. So we're going to put our clothespin with the number on it, and we're going to clip it to the wheel that has the number 2. All right, let's do one more of these ones, and then we'll move on to another wheel. All right, let's see. All right, I picked 5. All right, so let's look for the feathers that have 5. So this one has 1. We go over here, 1, 2, 3. Can't be that one. Let's go to this one. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna put our clothespin where it says that has 5 feathers. Okay, all right, let's go to this one, the butterfly one. So this one's 0 to 10. We did 0 to 5. Now we're gonna be moving up to 0 to 10. All right, so we're still doing the numbers. So let's pick a clothespin, and I picked 9. So let's count the butterflies in the columns, and let's find 9. Let's go right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a little less than 9. Let's go to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It can't be that one. Let's count this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna put our clothespin on this one because it has 9 butterflies. All right, let's do another one of these. I'm gonna pick a clothespin, and I picked 3. Let's look for the butterflies that have 3 in them. Let's go to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That one has a little bit too much. Let's go to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one has way more than 3. Let's look right here. We have 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna put our clothespin and we're gonna clip it in this column because it has 3 butterflies. All right, let's go over here and look at our watermelons. So with these two, we're going to be using the number word. So let's pick a clothespin, and it has 2. It says 2 with the number word, and we're going to count the watermelon seeds and see which one has a number 2. Okay, let's go right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can't be that one because it's more than 2. Let's look at this one. This one has no watermelon seeds. It can't be that one. Let's go over here. 1, 2. 2 watermelon seeds. So we're going to use our clothespin and we're going to clip it in this column that has 2 watermelon seeds. All right, let's do another one with the watermelons. All right, this one says 1. So let's look for 1. Let's go right here. Count the watermelon seeds. 1, 2, 3. It can't be that one. Let's go right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's way more than 1. Let's look at this one. And there's 1 watermelon seed. We're gonna get our clothespin and we're gonna clip it on that column that has 1 watermelon seed. All right, let's go to our next wheel. This one's 1 to 10, and it's still the number words. All right, let's look. 7. This one says 7. So let's count the strawberries and see which column has 7. Let's go to this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not 7. Let's go to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It can't be that one, it has more than 7. Okay, let's go right here. 1, 2, 3. Can't be that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It can't be that one. Let's go over here, count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strawberries. We're gonna clip our word 7 onto that column. All right, let's do one more. Let's see, 9. Oops, I dropped one of the clothespins. All right, we're gonna do 9. So let's count. Let's count right here. 1, 2, there are 2 strawberries, can't be that one. Let's go right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a little less than 9. Let's go in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 strawberries, so we're gonna clip our clothespin with the word 9 onto that column. All right, that was our center. You guys can pull this out of your worksheets anytime you want and just practice at home. All right, so next we're gonna move on to our worksheets. So everyone pull out your worksheet folder, have your worksheets in front of you, and have paint and trace first. All right, we'll do paint and trace. All right, so the directions say, using the dot marker, paint the number of circles, use a pencil to trace the numbers. So we're going to be using our dot marker. Everyone go in your pencil box and get your dot marker and your pencil. All right, these are the 2 that you need. Okay, so let's open up our dot marker. We've done this many times before, but today our number is 9. So we're going to be tracing 9. So we're going to go over here and paint 9 dots. All right, everyone ready? All right, let's begin. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, painted 9 dots. Let's trace 9. Everyone get your pencil in your hand and we can trace 9. All right, let's start at the dot. Go around, go up and go down. That's how you trace a 9. All right, let's try again. So we're gonna go around, make a loop, go up and go straight down. All right, let's do the one with the dotted lines. So I'm gonna go around and then go straight down. All right, let's do this one. Let's start at the black dot. I'm gonna make like a little circle, go up, and then go straight down. Number 9. All right, let's do one more. So everyone have your dot marker in your hand again, and we're going to trace 10, and we're going to do 9 circles, fill in 9 circles. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now let's get to tracing. Let's trace this 9 again. All right, we're gonna start at the top, make a loop and go down. Let's do this one. Down, do the dotted lines one, straight down. All right, let's do the last one. Start at the black dot, make a little circle, go up, and then go down. All right, and that's how you trace a 9. You guys can do these 2 sections for extra practice, and then we'll go on to our next worksheet, which is number practice. All right, so everyone have this one right in front of you. And for this worksheet, you will just need your pencil. So everyone just have your pencil in your hand. All right, so this one says number practice, directions, trace the numbers. So if you look in the drum in the 10 frame and you see the number 6. So there are 6 dots in this drum 10 frame. All right, so let's trace the number 6. I'm going to be doing one of each of every section, and then the rest you guys can do. All right, let's start with the 6. We traced the 6 before, so let's just trace this one. Number 6. All right, let's go to 7 right here. There are 7 dots in the drum, and then we'll trace the 7. And then go straight down. All right. If you go to this section, we have the number 8, which is our number of the day. Number 8 has 8 dots in the drum. Let's trace the number 8. All right. We go down right here. We have 9, like our practice paint and trace. Right? There's 9 dots in the drum. Let's trace 9 again. All right. Okay, and then the last one, two-digit number, which is 10. And we've seen 10 before. All right, so there's 10 dots in the drum, and we're going to trace the number 10. So we're going to do 1 straight down, and then we're going to do a circle, like a 0, and that is number 10. All right, I'm going to do those ones with you, and the rest you guys can do at home for extra practice. And then we can go on to our next worksheet, which is number hunt. So everyone have this worksheet right in front of you, number hunt. And for this one, you're going to go in your pencil box and you're going to pull out your color pencils. All right, so everyone do that. All right, so the directions say color by the code. So the colors that we will be using today are red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So these are the colors that we will be using today. So everyone get out these colors. All right, so we have red, orange, green, yellow, and blue. Have these colors out. All right. Okay, so let's look at our worksheet. So color by the code, so 6. The number 6 is red. So let's look at these circles and let's see which one has the number 6. So let's count the dots. So let's go right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was more than 6. All right, let's go to this drum right here. Let's count the dots in the drum. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 dots, so we're going to color that red. All right, let's go to our next color, which is orange, and orange is the number 7. So let's count which circle has the number 7. Let's count this one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 dots, and we're going to color this one orange. All right, let's go to our next color, which is yellow, and it has 8. So let's count which one has 8. Let's go to this domino right here, and let's count the dots on the domino. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's a little less than 8. Let's go to this drum right here, And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that has 8 dots in the drum, and we're going to color that one in with yellow. All right, let's go to 9. Number 9, the color is green. So let's look for which circle has 9 dots. So let's go to this domino right here. Let's count the dots on the domino. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 dots on the domino, so we're going to color that green. All right, let's go to 10, and 10 is the color blue. So let's count these dots, and let's see if it has 10. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's only 8 dots, we need 10. Let's go over here and count this drum. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 dots in that, so we're going to color this in with blue. All right, so I did those 5 with you, just to show you, and you can do this and color in the rest of the circles with your colors for extra practice. All right, and then we can move on to our next worksheet, which is counting with animal math. So for this worksheet, you're going to need your scissors and your glue stick. All right, so everyone have this worksheet right in front of you, counting animal math, and you'll need your scissors and your glue stick. All right, I'm gonna pull mine off the board because we're gonna be cutting this section out. The one with the animals on it, we're going to be cutting along that line. So let's begin. See all these animals on this side? You guys seen this worksheet before, but this one has more animals on it. All right. So you see a fox, you see a raven, you see some fish, you see some sheep. You see some bears, you see butterflies, some horses. Does anyone's family have horses? Anyone ever ridden a horse before? Horses are so pretty. I also think butterflies are beautiful because of their colors and how they're just caterpillars and they turn into butterflies. All right. Okay, so just like before, directions say count, cut, and paste to match. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so I'm just gonna be picking some random animals. We're going to count them and we're going to paste them with what number they have. All right, so let's count the fox. I got the fox, let's count them. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 foxes, so we're going to put it in the 7s column. So we have 5, 6, 7. So right here, and we're just going to place that one where it has 7. All right, let's count the bears. Look at all these bears. Let's count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 bears, and we're gonna put it in the 6 column. It's right here. All right, so put some glue on the back of your paper, and then we'll paste it where it says 6. All right. And then let's do the fish. All right, let's count the fish. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 fish. So I'm going to put some glue in the back of this, and then I'm going to replace it where it says 8. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and we're just going to put the fish in the 8 column because there are 8 fish. All right, let's pick this one. The birds, let's count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5, and we're going to put it in the 5 column. Put some glue in the back of that, and we're going to place it right here. All right, so we did the raven, the birds, the foxes, and the fish. And the rest, you have 4 more to do, and you can do that at home for extra practice. And that was the worksheets. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's lesson. And it's Friday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. It's October. It's the 1st of October. So I'll see you on Monday. And bye.